Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will talk about the benefits of online classes. So we all know that there are numerous advantages of online classes, like from flexible study schedules to cost, effectiveness, and self-paced learning opportunities. First, we'll talk about the flexibility, like you can study anywhere at any time with online classes. You have the freedom to learn at your own pace and fit studying into your busy schedule. The second flexibility is like work-life balance. Like you can take the control of your time and strike a harmonious balance between your professional, personal, and educational pursuits. The third flexibility is multitasking. Like you can engage in other activities while studying. You can multitask, such as working, taking care of family, or pursuing hobbies. Accessibility. Breaking global barriers. Online classes allow students to break global barriers, like you can study anywhere abroad or around the globe while sitting in your home country or anywhere around the world. It allows students worldwide to access quality education regardless of their location or time zone, reaching a wider audience. Education institutions can extend their reach and offer courses to students who may not have access to traditional education. And also, there are diverse perspectives about the online classes, like you can interact and collaborate with students from different backgrounds, cultures, and experiences, enriching the learning environment. Well, online classes are cost effective. Like here, I mentioned three of them: no commute, reduced expense, no accommodation fees. Like students can save time, money, and their energy by sitting in their homes, their workspaces, or at anywhere, and they can study or they can engage in any of the online class. Well, it reduced the expenses, like through online resources and digital books. Often they have lower cost compared to the printed hard materials, and students can also avoid the additional expenses of accommodation by studying in a convenient and a comfortable environment from their home. Self-paced learning, personalized experience. You can set your own learning pace, focusing more on challenging topics and moving quickly through familiar ones. Review and repeat, revisit difficult concepts, and review course materials multiple times for better understanding and retention. Individual progress, no pressure to keep up with a class or wait for others. You don't have to wait for the class, or you don't have to wait for the other students or the professor to teach you. You can individually progress your education by learn at your own speed and level of comprehension. Well, it is in the era of modernization. We have a much better improved technology. There are a lot of engaging platforms. Experience You can experience interactive learning through multimedia, simulations, and gamified elements. And also, you can virtually collaborate and connect with the classmates and instructors through discussion boards, video conferences, and shared documents. Like you know that there are a lot of online applications like Zooms and Google Meet through which you can virtually collaborate and connect with other people. There are also assessment tools which are available online through which you can take advantage of online quizzes, exams, and instant feedback for continuous self-assessment and improvement. Well, at the end, I can say that online classes are flexible and convenient. They often offer the freedom to craft your own learning journey according to your preferences and availability. And it has a lot of expanded opportunities which overcome geographical barrier, access diverse courses, and gain new skills and knowledge from experts worldwide. Adapting to modern education, embrace the technology advancements, shaping education, and prepare for the future of learning. And also, the one of the other benefit is that it is cost convenient, that it reduces your cost, and that's why I guess the online classes are mm, way much better than the physical classes. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.